In this video we are going to look at how to set up work centers for your facility. You will click on View. You will hover over Settings. Hover over TV Display Settings. And you will go to Step 1, Work Center Setup. We will go ahead and empty these out for the moment. What a work center is a group of machines of one or more. And so this image here on the right gives you an example. So a work center of CNC forming might consist of these 3 press brakes. So we would add the work center of CNC forming. And CNC milling might be these 2 milling machines, so we will add CNC milling. And then we have CNC turning with these 4 leads. And finally, we have 2 MIG welding stations, and so we'll create a work center of MIG welding. You can add as many as you need to for your system, but you want to group your machines into work centers. Now, one thing to note that the work centers of quality, received materials, and received back from OSS, send to OSS, and shipping are required for the functionality of FloorVisio. And so when you save this form, if these work centers are not in your list, it will add them to it automatically. That's how to set up the work centers and your FloorVisio system.